E-invoicing is being implemented gradually for all registered businesses. But what is e-invoicing? E-invoicing is the process of getting your B2B invoices authenticated by the Invoice Registration Portal. The IRP will issue a unique IRN and QR code details which will need to be printed on the invoice. But you don't need to worry about e-invoicing at all. The latest release of Tally Prime brings to you a fully connected solution to help you generate e-invoices with ease. Simply download Tally Prime Release 1.1 and activate e-invoicing from Company Features. That's it. Now you can follow your usual process of invoicing. Tally Prime will take care of the rest. You can generate e-invoice while saving your transaction. Once you have generated the e-invoice, Tally Prime will help you print it with required details. You can also generate e-invoices in bulk. Simply click on Exchange option, select Send for e-invoicing, select all the transactions for which you would like to generate e-invoices and click Send. That's it. Tally Prime also comes with an exclusive e-invoice report to help you manage all your e-invoice related tasks and exceptions with ease. You can also generate and cancel IRN from here. If information required to generate e-invoices is not complete or correct, Tally Prime will help you send the right data to the IRP. Or if request for e-invoice is rejected, Tally Prime will intuitively help you manage the situation. There is also an IRN register which lists all e-invoice related transactions along with their status. Tally Prime comes with several other capabilities that will make your e-invoicing experience seamless, including the ability to generate e-way bill numbers for e-invoice applicable transactions. So, if e-invoice is the question, Tally Prime is the answer. A solution you can trust. E-invoicing in Tally Prime is enabled by our GSP, which is certified for following strict information security policies as per international standards.